Assalamualaikum. My name is KHAIRUNNISA binti SAZALI and my partner is NURALIA binti MOHD. Today we'll be conducting our interview on fact-checking assignment for SOC 3533. The topic we selected is norms. So today we have Mr. MOHD here who has a deep interest in classic motorcycles and he will share about his obsession on motorcycle. So Wawa, the first question.
Alright. Okay, the first question would be, from who did you adopt this interest of motorcycle from?
I was, I took quite my the interest of motorcycle cut from and I'm this old is very effective. And my mother and my brother bought second-hand motorcycle. It's called AGS. AGS is from England. And it's about 7 years old. They repair a motorbike starting from the scratch, because the motorcycle is very old at the time. And they repair until it works. When they bought the motorcycle, and then motorcycle is 350 cc.
So you were nurtured to have interest.
Yeah.
It's your environment.
Mr. Mono, when did you start gaining interest in motorcycles?
Like yourself. Like first you were interested from your dad. When did you yourself feel like you should be interested? At the same age?
Not really, because I can't afford it. And I only started by my first bike in 1985. And I started looking, I had a small test bike, 125 cc, and I bought it for going to work every day from that time we are staying in Palabata, and I commute every day from Palabata to Penang itself, drop down.
What does owning a motorcycle makes you feel like?
It's proud.
You feel proud.
It's proud to have a motorbike, especially when it's, the brand is more concerned about the brand. Yeah, that is, we are proud.
It makes you feel proud as it's an expensive bike.
Yep.
All right, Nisa, next.
Okay, do you have a particular idol in this interest, like a famous figure?
The idol. Do you have any idol?
Not really.
Okay.
Because the interest is come by itself.
Okay. You already said what age you first owned a motorcycle. Did it cost a fortune, the motorcycle?
Yes, it's quite expensive during that time when you paid just 425 ringgit per month.
Oh.
So.
Okay.
So have you ever sacrificed anything to own a motorbike?
Money?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of money. Yeah.
Do you think owning a motorbike is some sort of success in life for you?
More or less. Because it's different on the brand. All these bikers, at one time they will think what the achievement they want to achieve, what brand they want to achieve. It's different. Some bikers like a fast bike. Of course, they will achieve one time. I will have that Kawasaki H2O, which one is the fastest bike in the world now. And then the others is like motor brain, like somebody like tour bike, or maybe they want to achieve like Harley Davidson or Indian motorcycle, or other the classic one, the classic bike. They want to achieve. Oh, I should have a bike, British bike. That's the thing.
What do you prefer in your bikes, like the brand or the speed or the strength?
The brand.
The brand. Uh,
So, do you have a circle of friend who shares or talk about your interest, the motorcycle?
Sorry,
uh,
I can't hear you.
Let me repeat her. Do you have a circle of friends who have, or do you have a circle of friends with the same interest that you talk about this interest about?
Yes. I have two kind of interest. First is classic motorcycle, which one is more or less we are talking about the British motorcycle. And I have a club for classic motorcycle. And I also have a club for Harley Davidson motorcycle, which one they call HOD Putrajaya.
So,
Harley Davidson Honor Group of Putrajaya.
so you spend your time with them. You go on motor rides.
Yes. We have TTS. They call it Teh Tarik session, where we went to the whatever mamak store, mamak shop, mamak restaurant, and we're having a tea tarik there, and we talk until late night.
Okay. Have they ever influenced you to buy something for the bike?
Not really. I am influenced them to buy something for the bike.
Okay. Next is, what are the usual comments you get when riding your motorcycle? When you bring your motorcycle on a ride, what will people say to you?
Oh, younger people say, oh, you with your age is nearly 60, 15, you still can ride. Yes, I think, thank God that I have strength, still can ride. The very heavy bike, the Harley Davidson is very heavy.
How about like in terms of like do they say you look cool?
I know that.
Lisa?
So, uncle, at what age did you? Okay, at what age did you associate having a motorcycle as cool?
The question is, at what age did you associate having motorcycle as cool?
35.
35. At that age, you think you should have a motorcycle and put it as your dream. Okay. Next is, when you're riding a motorcycle, can you explain how you felt that when you're in that situation?
It's like flying. Because if you're driving a car, you're free.
Okay.
But you must remember all the security, all the safety.
Yes.
You tak boleh angan-angan lah. It's very dangerous to ride motorcycle.
Has anyone ever told you? Has anyone influenced you to take care of your safety since they care about you?
Yes, my wife and my daughter.
Okay. Next.
From your interest in motorcycle, what skills did you gain while having your interest?
What skill have you gained while having this interest?
It's riding different kind of motorcycle. It's a lot of type of motorcycle. We have trail bike, we have street bike, we have the easy rider, we have tour bike, and we have this adventurous bike. It's different. You need to acquire a different skill.
Also different license, I believe.
License is the same. It's the same. Just you have to go through for be full. We cover everything. But the skill to ride trail bike is different from riding a touring bike. Like I'm with tour bike. Inshallah, I can handle better than other bike.
Okay.
So, from this interest, did you also learn to fix bike on your own?
Do you mean how did he learn how to ride the bike on his own?
No, she means that I have a big bike. Yeah, I have a big bike.
Okay.
It's Harley Davidson 1600 cc.
What does that cc means actually?
cc is a cubic centimeter. That's mean is 1600 is some sort like a motor car. 1.6 liter. 1.6 liter. That means the motorcycle also 1.6 liter. The same as a cc car cc.
So the bigger the cc, it makes a bigger noise? Is that what it is?
It's a bigger bike. It doesn't mean a bigger noise. Stronger bike. Bigger horsepower.
Okay. So the last question would be, do you encourage your children or anyone younger to have interest in motorbikes?
Yes, with the safety, with the really learn how to ride, properly ride, with all the security, with the helmet and the proper boots. It's very important to ride with the proper safety equipment. If you doesn't proper ride proper equipment, will be very big trouble.
Yes.
You know? Even a small mistake, it can cost your life.
May I know, have you ever lost someone from this bike accident, like a bike accident?
Yes, we lost our good friend from Hawk Putrajaya, Harley Davidson Honor Group Putrajaya. Our friend passed away during riding single ride from Pulau Pinang to Putrajaya. He hit wood at the middle of the highway and it killed itself. The accident killed himself, and we still feel his loss. He's a good friend of us. We always ride together.
Does his death makes you and your friends feel more together and to make you feel more together?
More or less.
For this interest?
Yeah, more or less,
That's all about it for today. Thank you very much for spending your time with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.